Need some ideas for last-minute crochet Christmas gifts that people will actually want? Well, today I've got you covered. We are going to be going through a lot of crochet Christmas ideas. I have curated a list of only the cutest, quickest, and free patterns that I could find all over the internet. So let's jump in with project number 1. Make sure to check the link in the description box below to find all of the resources and links to the free patterns. The first project is the 1-hour chunky crochet beanie. And what I love about this pattern is that it doesn't look like it was a super quick project to make. And the person who will receive this gift is not going to realize that it only took you an hour to make this one. And I decided to actually test this for myself. I wanted to see, could I actually make this cute beanie in 1 hour?
Santa's little helper. Santa's little helper. We're Santa's little helpers. We make the wheels go round. Day and night, night and day, here in Christmas Town. We're Santa's little helpers, and it's us you wanna know. If you want a date under the mistletoe. We're Santa's little helpers, and we make all the toys. The trinkets for the girls and the trucks for the boys. We're Santa's little helpers, and we know every trick, 'cause we wrote the book on old Saint Nick. It's a foggy Christmas night. So Santa's little helper. Santa's little helper.
As I was making the hat, I realized I had another super cute, quick idea for any Christmas gifts. This is the Cute Crochet glass jar cover. This is a little yogurt container that I get. They're the Wee yogurt brand. It comes in a really cute glass jar, and I made these little crocheted covers. I put buttons in these, and I also added a little ribbon and just a little tag. You could put candy in there. You could put all kinds of different things. I've actually done some with seashells in there for a friend. So this is also a really cute, a really quick, and free pattern. Let's take a moment to talk about today's sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform for creative-minded people. There are hundreds of crafting classes online so that you can learn from the comforts of your own home. Modern Crochet Essentials is one of my favorite Skillshare classes, and it's taught by Tony Lipsy of TL Yarn Crafts. Modern Crochet Essentials is perfect for the crochet beginner, but it's also great for those of us who want to polish up our crochet skills. Tony is a master crochet teacher, and you will not be disappointed. My favorite part of this class was the section Understanding Color Theory, and Tony is the best at putting colors together for crochet projects. And what's even better is that the first 1,000 people to click the link in the description box below will get a 1-month free trial to Skillshare. But make sure to check out all of the other creative classes on Skillshare. You will find something that is perfect for you. Thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video, and make sure to get your 1-month free trial. The next project is the Cottage Christmas Toy Blanket, and I designed this little pattern with those of us who love to crochet and knit toys, and we want some accessories to go with them. So this comes with a beautiful little granny square blanket as well as a little pillow. How fun is that? Besides the free pattern, you will also get a video tutorial where I walk you through all of the steps for making this sweet little cottagey, cozy Christmas blanket. The next project is the Crochet Gift Card Holder by Sigoni Macaroni. I don't know if you're like me, but I tend to give out a lot of gift cards during the holiday seasons, and sometimes that can feel a little bit impersonal to just hand somebody a gift card, but I love that we can make a little crocheted version of that to give to our family and our friends and people in our communities that we're handing gift cards out to, and it makes them feel more personal with that little handmade gift card holder, and I think it's adorable. I'm trying to feel all Christmassy up in here, but it is 80-something degrees outside. I have this cute little Christmas top on, but I am wearing shorts because it is too hot to wear pants right now. Ooh, and it's getting really hot down here, and I refuse to turn my air conditioning down any lower than it already is. It's already November here, and yeah, I don't like to turn my air conditioning on unless it's absolutely necessary, but it may be pretty soon because it's getting pretty warm in my basement craft room. The next project is the Crochet Mini Stockings Ornament by Sorella. This one is so so cute and so sweet, and there's nothing more Christmassy than a little stocking, and these make great ornaments, but you could also use them on the outside of a package as a little decorative touch. I think that would be so cute. You could even hide a little piece of candy inside. You want quick? I'll give you quick. This adorable rustic Christmas ornament was designed by Winding Road Crochet, and this is about as quick as it gets. It's just a little crocheted bauble on a piece of twine. This one would be perfect for anybody who loves a very rustic, simple Scandinavian or farmhouse style on their Christmas tree. These would be beautiful. You could make just one, or you could make a whole set, and these are going to work up very quickly, and you can make 3 different sizes depending on how thick your yarn is. And what's even better is that you probably already have a yarn in your stash that will work perfect for these little Christmas ornaments. The next project is the 30-minute crochet cowl, and it is actually designed by For the Frills, who also designed the 1-hour chunky crochet beanie. They go perfectly together, and this little cowl is called the Arctic Snood, and I think it's beautiful. And one of the best things about this is that obviously the name of the pattern is the 30-minute cowl, and the pattern states that it's going to take 30 minutes and 1 skein of yarn. This would make a beautiful gift set with the beanie and the little cowl. It would be beautiful, and it looks like you spent way more time on it than you probably did. The next pattern is the faux fur headband designed by Stephanie from All About Ami. This one is beautiful. I love this pink faux fur, and these are going to work up super quick. Stephanie always designs the most beautiful projects, even if they're super quick. This one is no exception. It is gorgeous. This one is going to whip up faster than a snowman melts on a warm, sunny day. I know that one is super corny. I really shouldn't be saying little sayings like that, but I can't help myself. The next pattern is Rudolph's Soap Cozy by Yarnspirations. I love projects that are practical and cute. If you can combine the two, I'm all for it. And this one is so practical and it is so cute. This would make such a fun gift for a child or an adult who is childlike at heart like I am. I would love this type of a gift. It's so fun, and I love that it's that personal touch of being handmade, and it's just adorable. This next project is so perfect for so many people in your life. It's the crocheted earbud holder by A Crocheted Simplicity. Now, everybody in my family has earbuds except for me. I just have old-timey headphones. That's what I have. But everybody else in my family has earbuds, and they have the little case, and they seem to go missing a lot. This would make a perfect little accessory, especially if you're giving somebody earbuds for Christmas. You could whip up the little holder, and it's so cute. And this would be a great stash buster, and you can make it in their favorite colors. And I think it's just a win-win for those people in your life who have earbuds. And I would imagine a lot of people in your life have earbuds because I see them everywhere. The next pattern is the hyperbolic velvet crochet scrunchies. Now, I remember when scrunchies were all the rage back in the 80s, and I love seeing that they have come back in full force now. On the Moogly blog, she says that this is more of a recipe than a pattern, and you can put your own creative spin on these, but I think they're wonderful. These are great for anybody who loves scrunchies or anybody who just wants to put their hair up, and you could crochet them in so many different yarns, and I love this velvety yarn. It looks so soft and so beautiful, and it would be fun to work with as well. The next pattern is the Golden Fave Twist Headband by Jessica from Mama in a Stitch. You probably have already seen Jessica's designs before. She is such an amazing crochet designer, and she has so many gorgeous patterns. What I love about this pattern is that it is simple, it's going to be quick to make, you can make it in any color you want, but it looks beautiful. You can make one for your family or friend, or make one for yourself, and don't forget to take care of yourself this holiday season. Many times we put ourselves last, and it's okay to take care of ourselves during this really busy Christmas season. The next pattern is the Crochet Hudson Hat and Mittens by Repeat Crafter Me. This one is so spectacularly gorgeous, and it's because it is made with this Lion Brand Wool Ease Thick and Quick in this Hudson Bay colorway. You can make the hat and mittens in 0 to 3 months all the way to teen adult sizes, which makes it so wonderful if you're making it for any age. And this Hudson Bay colorways really is a superstar. Look how gorgeous it is. And because the Thick and Quick is a bulky yarn, this project is going to work up lickety split. I've almost talked myself into making one for me now. I love this one so much. The next project is the Crochet Snowman Wine Cozy. If you'll be attending any holiday parties this season, this would make a really fun gift. The Snowman Wine Cozy was designed by Crochet 365 Knit 2. I love when a pattern is super simple but super adorable all at the same time. This would make a great gift exchange idea because everybody's gonna want that little snowman cozy over all of the other gifts. You could put your favorite wine or sparkling cider in the snowman cozy, and I bet it will be a hit at any gift exchange you attend this year. There isn't a pattern from Daisy Farm Crafts that I don't love, and this red gingham crochet hot pad is no exception. I love the simple farmhouse look of this pattern. It's beautiful, and I don't know if you're like me, but I'm always in need of a hot pad, and I love having ones that look pretty in my kitchen as well. And I'm already talking myself into making some for me too because I really do love these. You can make these in so many different colors to match somebody's kitchen, or just make some that are holiday themed because everybody's cooking a little bit more during the Christmas season. The next project is the Beehive Messy Bun Hat. This is perfect for someone who loves to keep their hair up but their head warm during the winter months. And I love that there's the little surprise bow at the back of the hat. Made with the super bulky yarn, this hat is going to work up super quickly. The next project is the Basket Weave Cup Cozy by One Dog Woof. How fun are these? I love them so much, and now I want every single cup in my cupboard to have a little cup cozy. This is a perfect last minute crochet Christmas gift for someone you love, a family member, a friend, a teacher. Anybody on your gift list is going to love this cup cozy. Plus, they work up super quick and they are a great stash buster. I hope you enjoyed all of these projects, and make sure to get your 1 month free trial of Skillshare, and you'll find a link to all the resources in the description box below. But it's not goodbye. Make sure to check out this next video.